This is Papa of Papa's page. Today for Cast Iron Wednesday, we're making hot dogs stuffed with potatoes and cheese. Today we will be using instant mashed potatoes, butter, pepper jack cheese, milk, smoked brats, and maybe some bacon. I'm starting by slicing the brats so that I can put the potatoes in. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. Today we're using a square cast iron frying pan. Take and open up one of the hot dogs. And I'm going to put some mashed potatoes in it. I'm going to put cheese in it, or on it, and then I'm going to wrap a bacon strip around it. And we're going to do the rest of them, and then we'll put them in the oven and bake them for about 20 minutes so that the bacon will be good and cooked and the cheese melted, and I'll show you what I have. I have them all tightly squeezed into the frying pan, and the oven's up to temperature, so now I'm going to stick them in the oven. And I'll cook them for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm going to pull it out of the oven. I'm going to put one on a plate and cut it up, and we'll do a taste test. Okay, I've got it cut up. Looks like the bacon needs to be cooked a little bit longer, so we put it back in the oven. We'll let it cook a little bit longer. We'll go ahead and do a taste test here. Got some barbecue sauce on it. Well, it had plenty of heat on the inside of it. Almost burned my mouth. But man, it is delicious. Thank you for watching, and be sure to share with your friends.